Hello all, today we are going to see some improvements in PayPal payment provider from the upcoming version of Odoo18. So first let's check what is the PayPal configuration in version 17. So this is my version 17 Odoo database. So if I am opening the PayPal payment provider in version 17, we can see we have to configure PDT identify token in version 17. So we have to create a PDT identify token in PayPal portal, and we have to copy and paste it over here, and we can use that PayPal payment provider for our checkout procedure of orders. So let's check what the improvements over that in version 18. So this is my Odoo version 18 database, and if I'm opening the PayPal payment provider, so we can see now Odoo replace that PDT identify token with the email, client ID and client secret. So no need to create PDT identify token more in upcoming version of Odoo. So we have to create API app in PayPal portal, and we have to create client ID and client secret, and we have to paste it over here, and we can use the PayPal in Odoo version 18. Now let's check what are the improvements we can see in checkout procedure of orders. So let's go to the Odoo 17. What we have in Odoo 17. So this is my Odoo 17 database. So when I'm checking out with the PayPal payment provider, I can see a pay now button over here. So for that, it redirect me to the PayPal portal. I have to log in with the PayPal, and we have to pay the payment via the PayPal. So it used the NVP SOP API, which allow us to redirect the payment, and which is now replaced in Odoo 18. We can order payment with the PayPal directly from the PayPal button. So if you are going with the Odoo 18, so let me jump to the Odoo 18 database. So this is my Odoo 18 database, and we can see here now if I am going with the PayPal payment provider. So PayPal button is here now in Odoo 18. Click on the PayPal. So Odoo use the JavaScript SDK, which are the standard checkout API, and it will redirect us to the PayPal, and we can log in with our PayPal credential, and we can pay. So these all are the improvements I can see in upcoming version of Odoo with the PayPal payment provider. Hope you like this. Thanks for watching.